Hello, today we'll be telling you how to take apart a computer. Your first step is to loosen the bolts that holds the case on. This is your computer. Your next step is to take out the RAM to see what you have. You push in the buttons and pull it out. This is RAM. Don't touch the gold. Your third step is to take out the video card, which is what the computer uses to bring up the image on your desktop. Your next step is to take out the network card, which is located right here. This is how you take out a network card. About to do. For your next step, you have to take off the other cover, just to get into taking out the hard drive. Now we have to take off the cover. Now that we took off the cover, we can get in there and we can see two screws that we have to take out for the hard drive. We lost part of our script, so this is actually the floppy here. And don't forget to take off the other side so it can actually come out. See all these wires? I don't know what they do, but you have to take them all out. Okay, these wires, they come from the motherboard and the power supply. Now we're going to take out the floppy. Now we're going to take off the CD-ROM. Now that we've taken all of the screws out of the CD-ROM, we can actually pull it out now. Our next step is to take out the hard drive, which is actually our last. This is the hard drive. Actually, I lied. This is our last step. We have to take off this battery from the motherboard. I don't know what it does.
It's on, it's on. And we're going.
Oh man, it's off. Alright. Hello. Today we will be talking and showing you all about how to take a computer apart. Your next step is to take apart.
Where did you get the first one?
Oh my. Hello. Today we'll be taking to the
5, 4. Okay, go. Wait. Do it. Yeah, you can't swear.
It's stuck.
Difficult.
What happens if it's difficult?
Yeah, good one. Cool computer, bro.
Yes, it's got lots of gadgets and gizmos. See this? It's a battery.
It's a capacitor.
That's exactly what I meant. And that's the fun. Do whatever.